We did Mighty Bravo. He is a office toy, and yeah, he's an office toy. The whole premises behind him is something that you could make user friendly. You could hook him up to your computer, and he would show you if your stocks are doing well or not. So that is why he is strong, because he is supposed to start in a really weak position if the stocks are doing bad, and then throughout the day he will get stronger. Hopefully your stocks aren't staying down. And he is software controlled. He is what we have actually controlling him is an Adreno micro with a servo motor, and so it allows him to start in a slouch position and pull himself up and then put his arms up. Yeah, so that's basically what he does, and he bends at all the major joints. So
we ran into a few setbacks when we started putting together our toy. The servo motor that we had spec'd and bought wound up being a lot weaker than what we had expected, which didn't allow us to get the full motion that we wanted into the ankles, knees, and hips. So we were kind of stuck with just arm motion. And this was kind of due to the limited resources we had in purchasing the servo motor. But for future designs, an increased servo motor would allow this design to work. From our model to reality, we spent a lot of time on the surface features for the chest and the arms. Here's the picture of the arms. We did a lot of the bicep, the forearm, and the shoulder. Had a lot of complexity to it in getting all the muscles in there that Johnny Bravo actually has. Here's the chest that we made. We worked a lot with Senthil. He helped us a lot with getting the surface features to look like what Johnny Bravo actually looks like, so you have a realistic desktop toy.
Next, we have two short clips from the Pro E model of the toy. As you can see, there's four areas of movement as mentioned before: the arms, the hips, the knees, and the ankles. But due to the setbacks that we face, this is the actual movement that we have right now. So only the arms are moving, but the way we achieve this is by having strings in the body of the figure, and it's attached to the servo motor at the bottom of the figure in the gray box.
So your final product is up here, and as you can see down below, the weights and everything were all made out of the SLA product, and then the bar going across is just a metal bar. The box was made of wood, and the paint was all done with acrylic. In the future, we would get a larger servo motor, as we stated, and we would start by inputting the stock market, which is what our original idea was, and then we had other things we could do. We could do sports scores, you could do Touchdown Charlie, different notifications, voice options, different figures. That's basically.
And since we have time here, we'll give it a little test run. So as you can see here, when your stocks go up, he increases his strength and his arms go up. So that is our design.